going door to door in rural areas, installing QR codes outside people's homes. Scan the code and you can instantly see a family's social credit score.
我们的乡村数字化平台，各位可以掏出手机扫一扫我们这个二维码，一扫就能清楚的知道。
南门社区设置数字化文明积分门牌，在积分制实行的基础上，为获得积分的居民制作文明积分门牌。门牌设置二维码，明良好的行为习惯。
Think about what that really means. This isn't just surveillance anymore, it's public ranking. It's government-approved judgment, made visible to neighbors, strangers, even children. A low score doesn't just affect travel or jobs. It changes how you're treated in your own village. Who avoids you, who reports you, who decides you're unsafe, untrustworthy, or not worth helping. This system turns ordinary people into enforcers. It replaces trust with suspicion, community with compliance. And the most dangerous part, it teaches people to see others as numbers, not neighbors. Scores instead of stories, obedience instead of humanity. History has shown us what happens when governments encourage citizens to police each other. Fear spreads faster than law, silence becomes survival, and cruelty starts to feel normal. This isn't about safety, it's about control. Because when reputation is controlled by the state and shame is broadcast publicly, you don't need prisons on every corner. The neighbors do the job for you.